Come on, doggy! You're taking too long. I want to get to the liquor bar. God damn, dog, what are you doing? Oh! Fast enough.
What are you doing?
What do you mean, what am I doing? I'm walking my dog here.
Did you know that 70% of people that abuse their animals have committed a crime?
Crime? Woo! That was a very, very delicious pest. I'm gonna go sit with my wife now.
What are you doing in the women's bathroom?
I can go wherever I want, woman.
You're such an idiot.
Call me an idiot. Idiot this.
Ah, that's it. I'm taking Fluffy.
Honey, no, I didn't mean it. Why?
Oh, Fluffy, I'm so sad. Why did you always do that? I can't take it anymore.
Swish.
Are you ready?
Ready for what?
For your animal intervention. Stop beating your animals.